Hello students, let's start with the next concept in chemistry, that is carbon and its compounds in class 10 science textbook. The previous session I explained about the properties of the chemical reactions of ethanol. Two main reactions of ethanol were discussed in the previous session. Today you will learn one more organic compound which is also a very useful compound. It is also known as ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, it's a IUPAC name, but commonly it is known as acetic acid. So physical properties of ethanoic acid. Before starting the physical properties, see the formula of ethanoic acid. It is CH3COOH. Let me list out the physical properties of ethanoic acid. So first, the appearance, physical appearance. It is a colorless liquid at room temperature. Then about its smell, it has a very strong smell. We call it a pungent smell. Never you should inhale ethanoic acid directly. This substance has very low melting and boiling point. As you can see here, 290 Kelvin is its melting point and 391 Kelvin is its boiling point. Whether it is soluble in water or not, just we can take a little bit of acetic acid and add to water and see whether it is soluble in water. It is a very soluble substance, highly soluble in water. So the physical property listed out here are, it's a colorless liquid at room temperature which has a very low melting and boiling point. This substance has a very strong smell and it is highly soluble in water. You have learnt about the types of acid based on whether it dissociates completely or partially in water. So this acid, that is ethanoic acid, is a very weak acid. The reason why it is a weak acid, you see here, it dissociates partially in water. CH3COOH, when added to water, dissociates giving acetate ion and hydrogen ions. But see the reaction. It is a reversible reaction. At any point, if you check the composition, both molecule and ions will be present, which shows that it undergoes partial dissociation. If it dissociates completely, when you check the composition, any time you will observe only ions in that mixture. But in this case, molecules as well as ions will be present in the mixture. Hence, it is a weak acid. Now let's see the two terms associated with acetic acid. The first one is glacial acetic acid. It is nothing but pure acetic acid. There is no water content at all in it. And it has very low melting point. Earlier I have told you, the melting point of acetic acid is 290 Kelvin. So because of its low melting point, during very low temperatures, that is cold climatic conditions, it freezes. Hence, it has the appearance of a glacier. So glacial acetic acid, because it solidifies or freezes in cold climates due to its low melting point. It doesn't contain water content at all. You have also learnt that acetic acid is highly soluble in water, and that the dilute form, that is 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid in water, is what we call vinegar. The dilute form of acetic acid is called vinegar. Lot of uses are there for vinegar. First use is, it is used as a preservative in pickle, and second one, it's a very good flavoring agent. It is present in all fast foods like fried rice, pizzas, your favorite. It's a very good preservative. It extends the life of pickles. So hence it is a preservative. Hope that these 2 points are clear to you. Glacial acetic acid is pure acetic acid. Vinegar is a very dilute form of acetic acid. Now let me move to the chemical reactions of ethanoic acid. Esterification reaction. It is one of the important reactions that you have to learn in this chapter. I have highlighted the general form of the reaction. Esterification is a reaction in which a carboxylic acid reacts with an alcohol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form ester and water. So now what are these esters? Do we have esters in our house? Yes, there are a lot of esters in our house. What are these? They are the sweet smelling substances naturally occurring in the fruits, flowers. The pleasant smell of the substances is because of the presence of organic compounds called esters. Now let me tell you the definition of ester. Esters are sweet smelling substances obtained when a carboxylic acid reacts with an alcohol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. There are a lot of uses of esters. The first use is to make perfumes, and the second one is to make flavoring agent. For example, artificial flavors, vanilla essence, strawberry essence, or pineapple essence. All these esters are synthetically prepared, man-made. There are natural esters as well as synthetic esters. So in today's session, you learnt about the physical properties of another organic compound, that is ethanoic acid, and one of its chemical reaction, which is a very important reaction. In detail, I'll explain it in the next session. The name of the reaction is esterification reaction. Hope that the concepts are clear to you. If you have any doubts, please post it in the comment box. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.